Hey guys, welcome back. How about a quick short video on how to use PTFE lines? All the cool guys are going PTFE, rubber breaks down, even 100% gasoline is not 100% anymore. It has 10% ethanol in it at very best case scenario. So that stuff is eventually gonna eat your rubber lines and stuff like this and stuff like that. We don't drive it every day, so that stuff kind of sits in there and permeates the lines. PTFE is absolutely the way to go. Let's get into this and see how we do it. All right, step one, you gotta make a nice clean cut, wrap it in tape, cut it off where you need it. Step two, install your nut end over the line. Okay, next step is to install the ferrule. Now I know this looks like trash, but you gotta pull all this back to get the ferrule just over that plastic lining and make sure that there's no crap underneath it there. After that, you're gonna wanna take your tool, flare out the inside and make sure it's a nice fit. Because then you're gonna put this end in just like that, and then take it over to the bench vise and you'll just tighten this up. If you're a cool guy and you want to make sure you don't mar anything up, Evil Energy does supply some like anodized aluminum AN wrenches that are really slick too. Maybe I'll get some of those next. They look pretty slick. But yeah, there's nothing to this. This is super easy, and what's super cool about it is it's the last time you're gonna have to do lines. It's gonna outlast me, I'm sure. If you're looking for a fuel parts supplier with good quality and fair prices, check out Evil Energy. You won't be disappointed, I promise. This is all Evil Energy, all the way through here, all the way to the back. And this is the push lock stuff. Works great. All the way to the back on this car. Right now, Evil Energy is celebrating their 10th year in the game. That happened quick, I can't believe it. But if you want 10% off for the 10 years, use code RA10, RA10 in the checkout to get 10% off. We also are doing some mystery box stuff and some other kind of cool things. So make sure you head over there and check them out. Use that discount code, get it on the game. It's great stuff.